hiccups and I'm trying to fight them. And Barbara thinks it's funny. Because when I feel one coming, I try to fight it. And see, it's going to work now because you're recording. Okay, I think it's gone. See?
See, I helped you.
Record it. You did. You helped. Because now that it's gone, now if I hiccup, I'm going to get very upset.
Recording cures hiccups.
I guess so. I can't get rid of these hiccups. It really bothers me because I can't win. I can't win. I can't fight it. Oh. And don't say hold your breath because that doesn't work.
Why does that not work?
I don't know why it doesn't work. I hate it so much.